welcome to TechB. Today we will discuss Hawkins hiring process. Freshers, experienced, diploma, BTech, civil, electrical, mechanical, undergraduate and postgraduate all are eligible for this drive. Those are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. If you like the video, please share with your friends. A link is provided in the description box. Please check the link. Here we find three types of job. Let us discuss one by one. First is management trainee. As you see, the package is 8 to 10 lakhs during training period, and after the training period on confirmation it is 10 to 12 lakhs based on your performance. Then details about Hawkins. Everybody knows about the Hawkins. It is leader in pressure cooker market, founded in 1959, and its profit is 34% from last year. The management training program is 18 months. After completion of training, salary increase with other benefits. Next, we will see the advertisement later. Here it comes. First is sales or marketing profile. Those are willing to travel, they can apply. Next is accounts and commercial job. Next is human resource HR background. Those are completed their MBA, are interested to go in HR field, they can apply. Next is legal. Having qualification in law, they can apply for the legal job. Next is executive assistant to senior management level. Next is technical or engineering job. As here it is clearly mentioned, diploma holders, engineering graduates, postgraduates in mechanical, electrical and civil engineering, tool design and manufacture, product design, industrial engineering, material science or robotics, they can apply for technical or engineering job. Next is programmer. Good knowledge in C++, C#, SQL, Visual Basic, Java, ASP, HTML, Python and Android. They are willing to appear in programmer job. Let's see apply in technical or engineering job. Click on the apply. We came to this page. As we see, online application form. Job applied for technical or engineering. First is name, age, mobile number, email ID and upload your biodata or resume. Seventh point is most important. Upload handwritten note, reason why I am interested in this job within 200 words. Don't worry, at the end of this video I am going to give you its answer. Just stay tuned. Now verify mobile number. Click on request OTP. A OTP come to your mobile. Enter OTP in the box provided. Next, register for updates on WhatsApp. Yes, by default it is set yes. Then submit application. Some important points are given below. First point is you can send a physical application form. Second, if you send physically, no need to upload online application form. Next, one person, one application only. Next, if there is any error during form fill up, so don't worry, you can try after some time. Now we try to apply for programmer job. Click on apply. We come to this page. As we see, the application form is same for all. Let's see the advertisement. Here all the things are mentioned clearly. Those are applying for management trainee, their age must be from 21 to 28 years. Let us discuss about the hiring process. First is screening of application and written test. The written test will be held across all over India. Shortlisted students in written test call for group discussion and final interview, which will be held in Mumbai. Shortlisted students will come for interview. Return rail fare shall be paid. Next job is management trainee, tool design or tool manufacture. As we see, Hawkins requires fresh qualified tool design and tool manufacture engineers who will be responsible for designing and manufacturing. Here it is given remuneration or CTC is between 8 to 10 lakhs during training period. Age is between 19 to 28 years and the rest of process is same. If we click on apply, then we see all the things are same as previous post. Next is factory job in Punjab. This is for experienced candidates. Let's see. First is deputy factory manager. Salary is 30 to 50 lakhs. Having suitable engineering degree with minimum 7 years of experience. Experience should be in manufacturing industry. Next is production manager. The salary is 12 to 18 lakhs, having suitable engineering degree with minimum 5 years of experience. Next, personal manager. Here salary is 12 to 18 lakhs and qualification must be in personal management with at least 5 years of experience. Next is security officer. Salary is 10 to 12 lakhs. Recently retired military officer or released short service commission officers may apply. Next is safety officer. Here salary is 8 to 10 lakhs and age is 21 to 30 years. Engineering degree and diploma in industrial safety with 2 years of experience. Next is welfare officer. Salary is 4 to 6 lakhs. Age is 21 to 30 years. Qualification as prescribed in Punjab Welfare Division with 2 years of experience. Here we can check whether the qualification as per said rules or not. Click here. We see there are many colleges or universities with qualification provided are eligible. As we see, there are 65 recognized universities. Just check your degree and universities are there or not. As I said, the bonus tips for why I am interested in this job. I have given some answers. Don't just copy and paste, modify it as per your criteria. This is all about hiring process. Please share this with all freshers and experienced persons which may be helpful to them.